Hello friends, welcome to Mr. Who's the Techie. And today I am Shashank here and I'm going to tell you about the latest Windows 11 release. I'll explain it the whole event in this 5 to 10 minutes. Yes. So actually if we go on their site and check, according to them it's called Windows 11 is the new generation. And as you got to know that there have been Windows 7, 10, 8.18, all these versions, and they have kept Windows 7 for around 10 years, and Windows 10 would be under, like, we would get the service from Windows 10 till 2025. After that, there would be the service would be discontinued. So Windows 10 is also running for around 10 years, and after that Windows 11 is compulsory. Now there is no compulsion to use Windows 11 only. We could use any other system, but Windows 11 is nice. Brand new design, and the best part is the curves. Like each and every part of the Windows has curves on it, like the icons, the new wallpaper, the themes. You can switch between tasks and apps, softwares. Like there are many stuff I would tell it in later words. So let's have the trailer that was released by Microsoft itself. Next on the line we have about the performances. So performance is a big deal. Like according to Microsoft, it says that the performance would be much high and the battery consumption would be very low, which would keep it very professional. So if the performance is high and battery taken would be low, that's a bit confusing, but we need to wait till it releases. Yeah, next we would be going to gaming section. So according to Microsoft, there would be seamless gaming and there would be a auto HDR function in this. Like the difference between a normal sRGB standard red green blue and auto HDR converted is like very nice. It has vibrant colors and effects, so we should be waiting for that. Yeah, so next on the line we have Teams. You must be knowing about the Microsoft Teams, which is very much being used nowadays for like from the past 17 to 20 months. Teams has been integrated. It would be inbuilt in the PC or in the operating system, and it would be like how you have FaceTime in Apple MacBooks and iPhones. So that would be very nice. You'll have instant handy apps and you won't need to open Microsoft and that great running GPU. It would be always handy on the taskbar in the middle. The icon is also changed for it, like how you had the Meet Now icon previously on Windows 10. It's similar to that, but yet it's nice. So next on the list we have the Windows Store. Android. Okay, so Windows has its own version of apps, the 64-bit, the 32-bit, and all those versions for downloading applications and softwares. But now, another operating system, that is Android, could be downloaded over here in the Microsoft Store itself. Microsoft Store contains Android apps like you can see TikTok, though it's banned. This is the only video by Microsoft. So we would be checking out the Windows Store once, and I would be showing it to you on the screen right now. Windows Store was nice, and the best part in everything is that everything has curved edges that looks so seamless. There are no sharp edges to any applications or any window. That is so nice, so beautiful, so eye friendly for me. Okay, next we will go to the widgets section. So as per my own usage, in the Windows 10 21 H1 update, we got the widgets feature on the bottom of the taskbar. So that was just like a preview for Windows 11. If we just go and click on it, we would be able to see few news, the headlines, the weather in the area, and we would be able to see the Sensex, Nifty, and all those stuff. Like there's a lot to do. We can have multiple time zones also. That is very nice. But the one in Windows 11, according to Microsoft, is that it's like the widgets are on a glass pane. Like how is a frozen ice? If you put apps and widgets on it, it looks similar. So let me just show it to you. Yeah, that's the thing. Okay, so next we go to the pricing and the availability. So according to the pricing, if your computer is compatible with Windows 11, that I'll show it to you in the next video to how to check whether it's compatible or not. Depends on your PC's requirements, the system requirements for Windows 11. If it matches well and the computer is a bit new type with a lot of RAM and all those stuff which would be appearing on the screen right now, if those would be there, the requirements, then it would be perfect and you may get a free upgrade when it releases soon. As per the blog on Windows site, it shows that for inbuilt with the PCs, when you buy new PCs, for inbuilt version you'll get it in this late 2021, and if you want a standby version of it, it would be releasing next year, the early next year. Yeah, and lastly, I hope that it's a good version, as I feel that I like it very much. There was a leaked version previously which released on 17 June 2021. I suggest people not to download that version. Microsoft has taken lots of hard work and pain to get this Windows 11 working. So we can't just let that go in vain by having the piracy version of the software. So I suggest you to wait for some time and get the brand new Windows 11 onto your PC officially. Thank you.